BitFlyer Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BitFlyer Wallet app is one of Japan's largest and most trusted crypto wallets, but how does it actually stack up for everyday users? Let's go through the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, BitFlyer's strongest feature is its reputation and regulation. It's licensed in Japan, Europe and the US, which gives it a level of compliance few other wallets can match. This makes it one of the safest choices for users who value transparency and government oversight. The app offers a smooth, beginner-friendly interface, perfect for new investors. Buying and selling crypto is quick and simple, with clean visuals and real-time price tracking. BitFlyer also stands out for its security measures. It keeps most user funds in cold storage, protected by multi-signature protocols and advanced encryption. Plus, it has never suffered a major hack since launching in 2014, a rare feat in the crypto space. Another key benefit is low fees. Whether you're trading Bitcoin or other supported coin like Ethereum and Litecoin, BitFlyer's transaction costs remain competitive compared to major exchanges. However, there are a few cons you should know. First, while BitFlyer is secure and regulated, it's a custodial wallet. That means the company controls your private keys. You rely on their security rather than holding your own assets directly. Second, the app's coin selection is limited. It mainly supports popular assets, so if you're looking to explore newer tokens, DeFi coins or NFTs, BitFlyer might feel restrictive. Lastly, some users find the customer support slow during peak times, especially when verifying accounts or resolving withdrawal delays. In conclusion, the BitFlyer Wallet app is a fantastic option for beginners who want safety, simplicity, and regulatory trust. It's ideal for buying and holding major cryptocurrencies without stress. But if you're seeking total control and advanced DeFi features, you may want to combine BitFlyer with a non-custodial wallet for the best of both worlds.